Welcome back to KayMayZing. Today I have my friend with
Saskia and Slan.
Yes, and today what challenge are we doing, Saskia?
Squillos chip challenge.
Here's a squirrel. it's
Alvin.
It's like, I think it's Alvin.
I think it's Alvin and the chipmunk.
Because it's got a red t-shirt, so that's why it's Alvin.
Exactly.
And we have to try and fit this in our mouths
without chewing.
And guess what? We have to sing a song. So let's say I put one in my mouth. I have to sing a song and she has to try and guess it.
And if you get it wrong, then you have to put 2 more chips in your mouth than the other person.
That's a good idea, girl. Okay. Let's get started. Okay, go.
Okay. True love, I know I had it. True love is so hard to find.
Have no idea.
Now I have to do 2 chips.
2 chips it is. Yeah. Okay. Drag me down. Nobody can drag.
Drag me down.
Yes. Go again.
So baby, pull me closer in the Latino.
Okay. I have to put one in my mouth.
I can't tell.
It was you and I. Come. Go.
I'm so cooker. I am so
I got that.
Oh, how cool! I love the butter.
We went far this time.
Gee, wait. This is a lot.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chips.
No. And I probably only fit like probably only
1.
No, 4.
I would say 1 because your mouth is so little like a baby.
Okay, let's start that again, guys. Sorry we made a mistake. We laugh a lot actually. Guys, guess how old she is. Comment down below, guess how old she is. Yeah! Okay, let's get this party started. Again. It's stop. You and I.
You and I.
Yes. Okay, go. You chewing it.
No, I'm chewing the other one I have in my mouth.
Huh?
We're going to start it. We're just going to carry on.
Go. Sorry about that, guys. Go.
True love, I know I had it. True love, so hard to find.
Go now.
She's singing that like 3 times. You guys heard me.
I got cool. I got clear. I got clear. I'm losing. I am losing.
What?
I'm losing.
You win.
Mhm.
You lose.
Mhm. I got clear. You got clear.
Exactly, you win.
Oh yes.
She got 4 and I got 3. Well, actually, I did have 7.
That's true.
Then I had another 3, so I had 10. But who's counting? You won! Yay! Okay, this is awkward.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video.
weird video.
Why?
Super weird.
Do
Okay,
you want to start that again?
Okay.
All over. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below when you are done watching this video. And like this video. And tell me how old she is. Boom. Write down. Just show me right down. Okay? See you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.